Hello and welcome back to a bit of a different video. Today we're taking a look at the Mr. Cement Limonene pen, which I got because you always should have some cement, and since I don't have any at the moment, now I do. Also, I wanted to see how these pens work, see if they're any good, and also to see how well the Limonene actually works for the cement. Basically, this is a citrus-based solvent, I think, is how it works. Basically, it smells like oranges and won't kill you from the fumes, in theory, at least. It's less harmful for you, anyway. Let me get this package open and have a look at the pen. And then I have a few things to fix. Well, I can tell you already, I can smell the citrus. And let's start out with this. My friend cracked the plastic. Unfortunately, the lighting, because the white background's not great. So let's see if I can fix that. Yeah, you can definitely see the crack here where it's separated. You can see it move. Get that off. Ah. Yeah, well, I will pause and get this out, and then I will repair the part. Give me a moment. Okay, it definitely took a little bit longer than I expected, but I did get the piece, so it's fine. And it should just sit. Yeah, I can see why it cracked off. It's barely held on by anything. Just sits in there like that. Okay, so take the part off. Use the handy pen that you can do some really fine brushing with it. You can basically get this exactly where you want. Sorry, I'm off camera. I don't have to be too careful since you're not going to see it anyway, but I do want to just, you know, might as well actually weld it up at the top too. Alright. Thankfully you have a little bit of room to work with this before it dries, so that's not really a big deal. And just sort of click it into place, yeah? Sure that it's all lined up. I was going to push it down with my hand, but I realized that's kind of stupid, so I'm going to use a toothpick instead. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do a little bit more as well, just to make sure that it's, you know, nice and secure. And like I said, oh god, excuse me a moment, I need to go wash my hand. Seems to have leaked. Alright, well, let's leave that alone for the time being. I should put this on, but I'm gonna let it set a little bit first. Just leave that over there and move on to these. These are Lego. You could probably tell from the axles and the pinholes, but yeah, this softer plastic tends to break. So I wanted to see if I could actually repair it using plastic cement. Now, as far as I can tell, it should work fine, but well, these are already broken, so I can't exactly make them worse. Okay, well, that was a bit of a pain, but I have it taped in place, so we'll come back to this in like 6 hours and see if it actually set. Let's just put that over there for now. Out of the way. still have to do this one. I have to say the actual application is really nice with this. I mean, this is a bit bigger, but pretty close to a panel lining Gundam marker size. So you can really get in to pretty small spaces and apply it exactly where you want. And of course, it's not super glue, it's cement, so it's not going to bond instantly or anything. I'm going to put it over there, standing up now. And I'll stick this one together. And I'll come back like later today or tomorrow and record a little bit to see how everything's bonded. So, see you in a second, I guess. Alright, we're back. It's been about a day, and I actually broke up my backdrop, so the color won't be as blown out. Getting it out of the way. Failure. Yeah. Whatever kind of plastic they're using for these does not work with the cement, which is unfortunate. However, the actual model kit, you know, the plastic it's designed for, get out of the way so it'll focus. Focus, there we go. As you can see, I mean, it's a little bit of stress, and it's definitely made the seam of the plastic slightly lighter than the rest of the plastic, but nice and secure. Just put the little cap that goes over the top of it back on, and put the ball joint back in, and good as new. And thankfully this covers over that spot so you can't see the plastic is lighter, but yeah, just pop this back in. And the hips are completely fine now. Good as new. So I'll be getting this back to my friend. And as for the pen, the extra thin Limonene pen, cement pen, whatever you want to call it, it works. It works well. Honestly, I'm surprised how well it works. I was expecting with the Limonene base, it wouldn't, I don't know, work as well as regular cement that has fumes that'll give you 9 different types of the big C. But you know, sorry, I'm trying to get around the algorithm nuking me. But yeah, these are like $5, and they have a really, really fine point. It's almost as thin as the, actually I have one right here, Gundam marker, and wow, I can really smell the limonene. It's super citrusy, but yeah, that gives you an idea of how small this is. This is actually a really, really nice way to apply cement to kits, honestly. And thankfully, because it's limonene, you don't get those awful fumes you would if it was, you know, a regular cement. So, if you want a way to apply cement to very specific areas, yeah, definitely recommend it. Anyway, that's been all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, helps a lot. Subscribe and hit the bell for future reviews. And as always, until next time, happy building.